Imagine looking back a year from now and seeing the tangible impact of your improved decision-making skills. If you're a professional, you might have secured a promotion because your boss and colleagues recognize the clarity and confidence in your recommendations. If you're a business owner, your company's grown faster because you've made smarter, data-driven choices that reduced risk and maximized opportunity. And if you're a leader, you've successfully coached your team to make better decisions, allowing you to delegate more effectively and achieve a healthier work-life balance. While no decision-making framework can guarantee 100% success on every decision, mastering this process ensures that you consistently make well-informed strategic choices that drive better outcomes. That's the power of mastering the decision-making framework, and that's exactly what you've gained through this course. But before we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on just how far you've come and what's next for you. Over the past 8 lessons, we've taken you through a step-by-step process to transform the way you approach decisions. Here's a recap of each step. Step 1. Define the opportunity and objectives. We started by ensuring you're solving the right problem with clearly defined goals. You learned how to frame problems effectively, distinguish symptoms from root causes, and prioritize opportunities by estimating the size of the prize. Along the way, we provided you with the Opportunity Framing Tip Sheet, a practical resource you can reference anytime to ensure you're starting your decision-making process on the right foundation. Step 2. Develop a range of creative alternatives. You learned how to avoid the anchoring trap and expand your thinking. We provided structured brainstorming techniques and discussed the optimized base case to help you evaluate not just any alternatives, but the best ones. You also received the Brainstorming Tip Sheet, a guide to help you generate a wide range of potential solutions, and a template for documenting your alternatives so you can compare them side by side with clarity and confidence. Step 3. Identify key drivers. Instead of drowning in data, you now focus on the few critical factors that truly impact your decision. Using the value driver map, you learn to pinpoint the key variables that drive success and ignore the noise. Step 4. Manage risks and upsides. We tackled uncertainty head-on, showing you how to plan for the best and worst outcomes. You learned how to use range estimates, pre-mortems, and red teaming techniques to stress test your decisions and minimize blind spots. To help with this, we provided you with a structured template for documenting key drivers, estimating ranges, capturing assumptions, and outlining risk mitigation actions, ensuring you have a clear and systematic approach to managing uncertainty in your decisions. Step 5. Perform economic analysis. You learn to eliminate subjectivity by quantifying the true value of each alternative. We provided you with a structured financial model to evaluate ROI, cash flow, and risk-adjusted returns so you can make data-driven decisions. Step 6. Determine required capabilities and next steps. A great decision is worthless without execution. You now know how to ensure your plan is actionable and realistic by segmenting high-level tasks, assigning clear ownership, and avoiding execution pitfalls like overly optimistic timelines. We also gave you a planning template to streamline this process. Step 7. Show your work. Finally, you mastered the art of getting buy-in and ensuring long-term alignment with your decisions. Using our DMF summary, you now know how to tailor your message to different audiences, avoid bearing the lead, and present decisions with clarity and impact. Think about how these skills will set you apart. Your ability to present data-driven, well-reasoned recommendations will earn you credibility with leadership. Your structured approach to evaluating options will help you move faster and more confidently. Your clarity in defining objectives will ensure you're solving the right problems, making you an invaluable decision maker in any organization. This isn't just about making better decisions. It's about accelerating your career and business growth. When people trust your decision making, they trust you. Now that you understand the framework, the real magic happens when you start applying it to high-stakes decisions in real time. That's why we're offering one-on-one training where we'll help you take a real decision you need to make and guide you through applying the framework step by step. Whether you're making a major career move, evaluating a business opportunity, or preparing a recommendation for leadership, our expert coaching will help you sharpen your analysis and ensure you make the best possible decision. Click the link in the course notes to learn more and sign up. Mastering decision making isn't just about frameworks. It's about building a skill that will serve you for life. With the DMF in your toolkit, you're equipped to navigate uncertainty, think strategically, and earn trust in your decision-making process. So now the question is, what will you decide to do next? We can't wait to help you take the next step.